Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, it is late December 2023. By now, most of you have probably already purchased your air fryer. If you have not, that means you're still in the market and you haven't decided what type of air fryer you want. If you have already purchased your air fryer, this is a tutorial, a mild, surface level tutorial on how to use either the oven style that we call it or your basket style air fryer. All right, family, y'all stand by. This might be a good. Alright, family, if you've been around the channel for a while, you know probably about 3-4 years ago my mother-in-law moved down from Ohio and she brought her air fryer with her. And I borrowed her air fryer. We used it and I was so impressed with it that I did my first YouTube air fryer video, and we went out and we purchased an air fryer. After doing some research, we decided on the oven style air fryer. And the reason I refer to it as the oven style, and I think that may be what the industry refers to it as well, it is kind of like an oven. You take these different racks, and it originally comes with 3 racks. The reason I have 6 racks is, once again, if you've been around the channel for a while, you'll know that this is our second air fryer. The same model, make, brand, color, whole 9 yards. After about 2.5 years of intense use, probably using it 2, 3, 4 hours a day, it failed on us. Just would not come on one day. We decided to go out and we did purchase a different type of air fryer that lasted one day, the kind with the French doors. That thing got excessively hot on the outside. My grandsons like to come over and cook with me from time to time. I didn't feel like it was safe. I took it right back to the store and we purchased the same air fryer that we already had. So that's why we have 6 racks. I salvaged 3 of the racks and a few other things, rotisserie, the whole 9 yards, from the original air fryer that we had. All right, family, now that y'all all caught up. Today's video, like I said in the intro, it's going to be to help some people who are still on the fence decide whether they want the oven style air fryer or the basket style air fryer. If you've already made your purchase, this will be a mild surface level tutorial. All right, family, with that being said, we're going to look at these things from 3 different categories plus 1. We're going to look at quantity, we're going to look at quality, and we're going to look at quickness. How many pieces of chicken or chicken wings will each of these hold? Is the quality the same? Does it crisp up the chicken the same? And does it cook the chicken, say, the same time? Does it cook it with the same quickness? All right, family, with that being said, without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the chicken, or the quantity of chicken that will fit in this particular air fryer. If you've been around the channel for a while, you've already seen us cook with this air fryer. So I don't think cooking the quantity portion will be necessary to cook it in this one and cook the same portion in that one. So what we're going to do is put, say, 5 each wings on each of the 3 trays, and then we're going to dump it into this one and see what we have and see how well it cooks that same quantity of chicken. With the basket, I think it may not, this is one of the large quantities. I think this is a 10 quart they call it. And this is my daughter's, by the way, I borrowed it. I don't own 2 air fryers. I'm not sure that the chicken laying on top of each other is going to cook as well. So that's what we'll be testing today, mainly. All right, family, without further ado, let's get started. My youngest son is supposed to be coming over later on this afternoon. You know what? just for the sake of, since my son is coming over, let's grab one glove. Ooh, that's a tight fit. That's what she said. All right, fam, let's go. 1, 2. By the way, shout out to Lake Charles Poultry. They did not sponsor this video, but they always take care of your boy. Every time I go in there, the staff is friendly. They always greet me. If I don't have the camera rolling, they want to know, why aren't you filming today? They.
Welcome to Lake Charles Poultry. I am Hollywood. Lake Charles Poultry is the man.
What's up, baby? Appreciate that rub last time.
What's happening? My name is Ty. You already know.
All right. Did y'all help me catch some of the last one?
Yeah.
All right, I gave y'all a nice shout out. They love being on camera. They love helping your boy out. Like I said, they're not a sponsor, but they're a partner. They take care of me. And think about this, fam. I have 3 dozen chicken wings, $20. You heard that right. 3 dozen chicken wings, $20 freaking dollars. Boom. All right, fam, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We actually could go 10. Let's go boom, 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 boom. All right, fam. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We have 22 pieces of chicken. I could go 24, but we're not going to overload that basket. So now, we know, if you're new to the game, this will slide in just like so. Boom. And you fire this thing up, and you actually can put a 4th rack. Would a 4th rack fit up there? Bam. You could actually load this thing up with 8, 16, 20, wait, 4, hold up. Yep, 8, 16. You could actually almost do 32 wings in this freaking thing. Bam. There's no way that basket style is gonna be able to keep up. All right, fam, so let's go ahead. So like I said, we don't have to cook those, but we're gonna go ahead and dump these in. And these were pre-seasoned by my friends at Lake Charles Poultry. They have their own seasoning blend. Family, if you're not from here, but if you're coming down Interstate 10 ever, you're coming through Lake Charles, they're only a few feet off of the interstate. It'd be well worth the stop in. All right, family, check this out. That's what we're working with. So now, the next thing. These air fryers have a preset. I don't have this one plugged in. I don't want to overload my little outdoor circuit, but I will plug it in. All right, fam. Now, presets. Each one of these has its own preset. The preset on this one, is that the wind just blowing the door open? All right, fam. Each one of these has its own preset. Now, I'm sure whatever the brand is, the preset may be different, but I'm thinking it's going to be similar on each basket style and each oven style. The chicken preset on this one, will it do with the door open? The chicken preset, 375 degrees at 30 minutes. Boom. The preset on this one, the chicken preset, you have to hit the on button on this one. Chicken preset, 370 degrees at 40 minutes. All right, calm down. This one suits Lady Red more because she likes her chicken crispier. Normally, I usually bump this one up to about 35 to 40 minutes. So I think 40 minutes is gonna be more the standard for to make sure your chicken is fully cooked and that it reaches a core temperature of 165 degrees. So that's just something to remember, to bump this one up to about 36, 37 minutes. All right, family. I don't know why I cut that off. I already got the chicken in there. I might as well have let it keep rolling, huh? All right, chicken preset, 365. Oh, what did I hit? I hit something down here. All right, Roselle, cut that out. That's your plus and minus I hit. Power on. I make mistakes so y'all don't have to. Chicken. Boom. There we go. All right, fam. We're going to let that do its thing. We're going to do a little sweeping out here, a little cleaning up. Go about doing some of our chores. I got some exciting news coming for the new year coming up. We're going to make some changes out here. I think this is going to be our primary cook area again. We were using the hog pen, but since we cut down all the trees due to the hurricane, it's hot out there in the summertime, y'all, and cold in the wintertime. So I think we're going to turn this back into our primary cook area, but we're going to make some changes. Some of this decking needs to be changed out. That we want to put up some rails, but I'll tell y'all all about that probably in my last or next to last video of the year, which is probably coming up. We probably got about 4 more videos we're going to do this year, so y'all stay tuned for that. All right, family, I know this video is kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to introduce anyone who's going into the air fry game in 2024. I want to give y'all a brief introduction to the air fry game, show you the difference between the basket style and the oven style, and help you make a decision, or at least give you a light tutorial on how to use each. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, fam, we're at the halfway point, and we realized our fears outside. That little power strip that I have out there running everything, it did pop it, so we moved the show inside. But one thing is, remember the air fryer I told y'all I bought with the French doors, hot to the touch? I wouldn't have been able to move that one inside. I took 2 oven mitts, grabbed this thing, brought it right inside, plugged it up. I lost maybe a minute in the cook time. All right, family, check that out. Did that look good or what? Now, we're gonna take these and we're gonna flip them over. And believe it or not, fam, even though these are stacked, they're still cooking. I can almost take these and just shake them up. All right, fam, we'll put them back in for another 20 minutes. Maybe 15 minutes. Last time we did this, it actually 40 minutes was a little too much. So we're gonna meet it halfway like we would this one. And we're gonna hit it at about 35, 36 minutes. All right, fam, we'll be back in about 15 minutes. All right, fam, there you have it. Oven style, 35 minutes. Those look a little drier than those, and they came from the same batch, same seasoning. I did have these on the middle rack. I'm not sure if I would have had it loaded up with all 3 racks. Might have been a little different with drippings from one rack to the other, but Lady Red likes them this way anyway. So let's find our tongs. And I should have flipped these about halfway through, but I was going about my business, clowning with my son and doing things around the house, and I forgot to flip those halfway through. All right, fam, while we waiting on these to cool off, I'm gonna go ahead and sit these on the bar so me and my son can test them. Now check that out. That still has some oil in the bottom because I dumped the tray in. If I hadn't dumped the tray, there wouldn't have been oil in the bottom. And these are oilless because the oil dripped in the bottom of the air fryer. All right, fam, I'm gonna sit these on the counter, on the bar. All right, fam, last but not least, clean up. Remember I told you we had 3 Qs and a +1 quality. quickness, quantity, cleanup. And here's the difference. These wire baskets are hard to clean. But as I discovered last time I used the basket style air fryer, now if you clean these up as soon as you pull it out, like I'm doing now, it makes it a little easier. Or if you soak them in the sink for a couple of hours in hot water, it also makes it relatively easy. You would think this one would be easy to clean up. It is not. I still think it wins in the cleanup category, but just like with the other rack, you have those breather holes in here, and it makes that rather difficult to clean up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill this up with water, sit both of these inside, and let them sit while we do our test. All right, fam, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna call my son. We're gonna test these wings, see which one tastes better, and we're gonna go ahead and bring this video in for a landing. All right, fam, y'all stay tuned. Tyrell.
Yes, sir.
Let's check these wings out.
Right by.
All right. We know which ones are which. Those seem to be way more juicy.
They look better.
I like those better. They look better. I think your mama would like these better though. You prefer the flats over the drums?
I prefer the chicken in my mouth.
You don't really care what kind it is. Drum, flat. I don't like chicken breast though.
I'm actually a boneless chicken guy.
Really?
Mm.
Oh, hell no.
Nah, that's the only thing I really eat.
If I go to like Buffalo Wild Wings, bone in for sure.
I just had this conversation with Kendall about why I think boning out is better. Because you had 2 pounds of each, which one you got more meat.
You look at it from a pricing standpoint. But it tastes better?
Yes. To me, and then you don't have to throw away the bone.
All right. All right. Let's try one of these. Now this is the one out of the oven style air fryer.
Crispier.
Crispier. Oh, you can hear the crunch.
Mm-hmm.
We'll have to leave these alone, Carl. That's the one your mama gonna take. So you'd have had your last one of those. All right.
That's pretty good.
All right. Which one you think won though? What's a tie?
I like these better.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It's crispy?
Yep.
All right.
I like these better.
All right. All right, fam. Y'all heard it from my son. The oven style air fryer won in every category except perhaps cleanup. All right, fam. I'm gonna put these aside for Lady Red, and me and my son are going to partake of some of these wings. All right, fam. Well, if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Y'all give us a thumbs up. And we're going to go ahead and bring this one for a close. As far as y'all are concerned, we'll be here busy for the next 15 minutes for sure. All right, fam. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I hope y'all learned something about air fryers, whether it be the oven style or the basket style. And there's more videos to come. So family, y'all take care. Have a great day. I hope y'all have an awesome 2024 and an awesome holiday season. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. You come out and visit more often, you get more shit like that.